Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to talk about yourself like it's a simple French that's for learners. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rejoice. Please like and subscribe. Talk about yourself. Parler de soi. So let's start with the basics. The basic is you have to start with your name, your age, your birthday. You can add your hobbies and what class you are. So let's start by bonjour, je m'appelle blah blah blah. You can say je m'appelle Cassandra, Alexandra, or Marie, or Frank, or anything, whatever your name is. Bonjour, je m'appelle blah blah blah. That is hello, my name is blah blah blah. Then you can say j'ai 22 ans. J'ai 22 ans. That's I am 22 years. I am whatever your age is. Then next we go to mon anniversaire, c'est le 5 juin or juillet. Then next you talk about what class you are. Like you say, je suis en première année à l'université at the university name you are, or if you're in school or college then that means I'm in my first year in the university of blah blah blah. Add the name. Then sorry, je suis informaticien or je suis banqueur. That's I'm a computer scientist or IT, whatever. J'aime beaucoup le sport. D'ailleurs, je fais le basketball des fois par semaine. That I love sports, and anyway, I do basketball twice every week. Quand j'étais plus jeune, je faisais gymnastique. Mais maintenant, je fais le basket car c'est mon sport préféré. That is, when I was younger, I do gymnastics. But now I do basketball. I play basketball because it's my best sport. That's I like to go to the cinema. We can just also add j'aime apprendre les. Who's looking at me? J'aime apprendre les langues étrangères. As I love to learn foreign languages. Je parle l'anglais, l'espagnol. I speak English, Spanish. You can add whatever language you can speak. So, j'ai passion de devenir informaticien et avoir une entreprise. I have the passion to do IT and to become a computer scientist and have my company. Mes parents sont Emmanuel et Tina. My parents are Emmanuel and Tina. That's the name. Or you can add whatever name it is. Then talk about their business. Mon père est un homme d'affaires, ainsi que ma mère. That's my mom. My dad is a businessman, as well as my mom. Or if he works in an office, you can just say mon père travaille dans un bureau. My dad works in an office. Then next, what else? I think this is the end of this video. I asked one favor, just one favor. You're going to do it right. One favor, and the favor is subscribe. guys, please subscribe for more videos and like to share to friends. Bye, love you all.